After Jesus rose from the dead, he spent 40 days with his friends, the disciples. He told them, "Wait in Jerusalem. The Holy Spirit will come and give you power to share my love with the world." Then, as they watched, Jesus rose into the sky. A bright cloud covered him, and he was taken up into heaven. Two angels said, "He will come back, just as you saw him go." Days later, the disciples gathered in an upstairs room. They prayed and waited, just as Jesus said. Suddenly, the sound of a mighty wind filled the house. Then, flames like tongues of fire appeared over each person. They were filled with the Holy Spirit and began speaking in different languages, praising God. A crowd gathered outside. People from many lands were amazed. They each heard those in the upper room speaking in his own language or dialect. Peter stood tall and said, "This is what God promised. Jesus is alive." That day, 3,000 people believed in Jesus. They were baptized and shared everything they had with love and joy. Even when trouble came, they did not stop. They prayed for courage, healed the sick, and shared Jesus' love everywhere they went. The Holy Spirit helped the good news spread to the whole world.